floors. Today I'm going to explain what I'm holding in my hand. It's a piece of wood, obviously. It's solid wood. It's white oak species. Okay, white oak and red oak are very hard to discern apart. But if you've been around them long enough, there are certain characteristics you look for. This one, you'll notice, is very thin. See, that's how it's very thin. All right. Most times when you have a wood floor, it's about 3/4 of an inch thick. This is 3/8 of an inch thick. With that 3/4 inch thick piece, you have more of a wear layer. The wear layer is the top of the wood. Okay. This is a tongue. This is a groove. They used to be called matches way back in the day. The tongue fits in the groove, all right? On top of the tongue is the wear layer. This is meant to be sanded, to get rid of scratches, to get rid of old finish, to flatten your floor. And usually a 3/4 inch piece has 3/8 of an inch thick wear layer. This is 3/8 of an inch thick wood. So the wear layer is about 1/8 of an inch, if that. You don't have very many sanding life in this piece of wood. This wood is on the floor right now. I'm sanding, so it's a little tricky. It cannot be sanded after this. This is the last time. Unfortunately, it has got to be removed if they want to do anything else to it, which is fine, can be done. But I just want to show you there are different sizes to wood flooring. Of course, you can get them wider. This is a 2-inch wide piece. Usually 3/4 of an inch. You can get anywhere from 2 inches up to 9 to 12 to 14 inches, depending on the species. This one is only 2 inches, and it's a very old world idea. Beautiful look in the house. Wonderful species. Has a nice fragrance of vanilla when it's sanded, and it's really fun to stain. Thank you again, SureWood Floors, Pasquale.